This is Redmi Note 9 Pro. Redmi Note 9 Pro launched 23 March 2020. Redmi Note 9 Pro is still worth it 2021. Find out in this video. I'm SHADAT from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. Redmi Note 9 Pro built with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with plastic frame. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with HDR10 and 450 nits, whose resolution 1080 into 2400 pixel, 395 ppi density. So now talk about the OS. Phone running Android 10 with MIUI 12, Android 11 coming very soon. Redmi Note 9 Pro using chipset Snapdragon 720G, and this is 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant with UFS 2.1. So now you can play any types of game in a medium and high graphics. I am playing Call of Duty in a very high graphics and max frame rate. I am already giving the gaming review on my YouTube channel, link in the video description and below. Go there and watch this video. My gaming experience is excellent. So let's move on the camera section. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with quad camera setup. 48 megapixel main lens with 1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide 2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel macro with 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth sensor with 2.4 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080 into 30, 60, 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video, and you also record 720p 960 fps slow-mo video. Redmi Note 9 Pro camera performance is very good. You can take a very good photo with very good details. Redmi Note 9 Pro you also use GCAM 8.1. I am already making a video how to use GCAM 8.1 and how to download GCAM 8.1. Video link in my video description and below. Go there and watch this video. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with single 16 megapixel selfie camera with 2.5 aperture. In this camera you can take a very beautiful selfie. Redmi Note 9 Pro powered by 5020 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charger. Overall this phone is pretty well. So the question is, this phone is still worth it 2021? Obviously this phone is still worth it 2021 because this phone comes with very good processor, very good camera and very excellent look. If you compare Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with IPS LCD display and Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with Super AMOLED display. This is the big difference, nothing more. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with Snapdragon 720G and Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 732G. If anyone to buy Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro, I prefer Redmi Note 10 Pro to buy because this one have a Super AMOLED display. Otherwise you can buy Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay, this is all about Redmi Note 9 Pro. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time with another video. I'm SHADAT from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.